Hello, welcome. Today I'm making creme brulee toppers, the delicious sugary crust that sits atop the creme in creme brulee. These require no torch, no broiling, and no candy thermometer. I'm showing gingerbread men for the winter season, but later on in this video, I'll show you how to make them festive for any occasion and how to keep them more traditional looking if that's what you prefer. First, add a thin layer of sugar to each of the gingerbread in your mold. Make sure that your mold is safe at 375 degrees in the oven and place it there for about 30 minutes on a baking sheet. At first, your sugar will turn brown, and then by about 45 minutes, it will completely melt. Then pull your tray out of the oven and let the candy cool and set probably about 15 to 20 minutes. Then after that, you can start popping them out gently by pushing from the bottom up, and you will get a delicious, crunchy creme brulee gingerbread man. For a more traditional broken glass look, you can take a pie pan, place a piece of parchment on top with a thin layer of sugar, place in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the thickness of your sugar. And once removed from the oven and cooled to set, you can take a spoon and smash it up into pieces, and they look like a beautiful stained glass. Alternatively, you can use silicone cupcake liners, metal cookie cutters that suit the occasion, or freeform the sugar onto parchment directly. This one I use the broken candy glass. This one I freeformed on parchment, and I just wanted to show you what they look like with the gingerbread decoration. So cute. Amazing how simple it is to make a creme brulee crust with simple ingredients, no torch, no broiler. Enjoy.